Xin chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel Vietnamese cooking. My name is Xin. Today we will make bánh mì Vietnam with chả cá and pork, mean sandwich with fried fish and fried pork. So yesterday I already cut half, but usually you see a chả cá in Asian market is a circle, and this one long like this, but I cut half to make a sandwich last night. And we will need some butter, pate, cucumber, some cilantro, and today we will put some kimchi in the sandwich. So you need to turn on some medium high heat to make hot the chả cá and fried pork. This one already cooked, we just make hot. And about the bread, if you want toast, you can. If you want just eat like this, you can. You cut like this, not too thick, not too big, so easy to put in the sandwich and easy to put in the sandwich and eat. Let me cut on a bit. I will make some for my kid and my husband. And if you love spicy, you can drop some Thai chili or jalapeno. But today I don't have jalapeno and Thai chili. And this one you just cut like this. Let me show you. Not too thick. Look. This is already cooked too. You can eat like snack. This is really good sandwich. Okay, so let me make hot and make a banh mi. This is easy sandwich. If you love fish, this is perfect for the sandwich for you. You just fry and both sides light brown don't burn. Also, if you don't have kimchi ready, you can use carrot and daikon pickle. We wait for this cup. I will show you how to make the sauce. So you will need some Maggi soy sauce. I use it a spoon. And we use 2 spoons of soy sauce. Oh, you can use some Chien extra hot too. I will get the level the same so you can remember easy. But this one mixed together is really good taste. This one, if you don't like hot, don't put this one in. But I think this one not super hot for you. Wait. 2 spoons and some sweet chili sauce. And final, you can put just 1 spoon of hoisin because this is a little thick and a little salty. So you just mix well. If you love sesame oil, just rub some inside. Look, the sauce, beautiful. Look how beautiful is it. Okay, if you love sesame oil, rub some inside. Now let me turn this one and show you what you're looking for, okay? Vietnamese, we have many kind of sandwich. But this one is my favorite sandwich. Let me see. Let me show you how, like this. This not burnt, just like yellow. Let's see. So this one too. So we are almost done. It's easy. Smell really good. Okay. Because this is already cooked, so we just make hot. So you remember, if you want toast, make hot the bread, you can, okay? Today I'm not told this, I just saw you. And you wrong knife. First, you will need some butter to put in here. I take my butter out a while, so more soft, more easy to put in. And then you use some pate, but if you don't like pate, don't put in. The flavor is still good. So now we put some fish inside. See, this look good. And now we put some pork. We put some salt all over. And you can put some salt on this side. Now the kimchi. Some cucumber. And some cilantro. This is easy, but it's so good. Look, guys. I'm so. I forgot my plate. Sorry. Look. You will love it. So hopefully you like my recipes, and let me know if you like it. And I have some video you can check out. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Thích và ủng hộ kênh của tôi. Cảm ơn các anh chị cô chú.